Hi guys, today I'm going to make a Christmas cake. This is my first time. I don't know it will work or not, but let's see how it works. These are the ingredients for the Christmas cake: 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of tea, milk tea, half cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 2 egg yolk, 4 egg white, and baking powder, vanilla, and some salt. These are the ingredients you need first.
මගේ වීඩියෝ වලට කැමති නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලයික් කරන්න, කමෙන්ට් කරන්න, YouTube channel එක